Who's looking for free movies, free TV shows, live TV, all at the palm of your hand on your Fire TV stick? It might as well be pay-per-view all over again. Guys, if you're looking to set this up, check this out real quick. First things first, you're going to need to download an application called Downloader. Just go in the search function, type in Downloader. If you don't already own it, get it, install it, and away we go. Once you've downloaded Downloader, we're going to need to jailbreak our Fire Stick. In order to do that, just click on the little cog wheel, go all the way over to My Fire TV. And under developer options, if you don't have developer options, click on your little select button 5, 6, 7 times. It already says no need, I'm already one. And then you can go into developer, install unknown apps, and turn on Downloader. Go back home. Let's turn on Downloader. Our Fire Stick is now jailbroken. Open up Downloader. Super quick. In the URL, type in 5, 4, 6, 8, 3, 5. And this is a quick link to our website, ledbytheunknown.com. 6 numbers is a lot easier to type in than 14 letters. Once we're in here, give it a 5-second redirect.